Hi everyone, I wanted to share some happy mail I received today from Planner Layouts with D. Check out her page. Very nice spreads that she has. Denise, that's her name, D. So she uploaded these like I think last week or 2 weeks ago on her story on Instagram, and I just fell in love to where I reached out and I asked her where did she get them. And she said, I'm gonna pick you some up. And I was just so excited. And when she went, she showed me all these different styles that they had, and I just went crazy. I went extremely crazy. Look, they're like the size of, probably bigger, I have like a small hand of your palm, and they're like little backpacks. No straps though. It has the keychain. Isn't that cute? When you don't want to carry your purse, or when you want to have something extra, important close to you, because I always keep my keys close to me. One time my toddler, he lost my keys. He wanted to play with them, and then he lost the keys in the store, and I went crazy. So she picked up 2 of each of them for me. 2 of the unicorn. Isn't unicorn so cute? And she picked me up 2 of the fox. Here, let's kind of spread these out. My OCD wants all of them in the picture. And this game one, she picked me one of these up. I saw these when she was at the store, this one, and I got really excited about it. And okay, I'm an adult, you guys, right? But me and my toddler have been fighting over this little cute thing since I opened the box, and I had to make a deal with him. Okay, he's about to be 4 this month, so literally I figured technically he's 4 already. Yeah, I had to make a deal with him to where can I borrow it for just a little bit, and I'll let him play on the iPad while I do this little video. And he said okay. It's time to go to sleep, but kids will be kids. And look what she made. Isn't that cute? I feel extra special when someone makes something handmade. It gives it extra meaning. It's extra special. And I think I heard her say something on her story that she followed a tutorial on how to make this, and this thing is so amazing. Look at that. It says hello friend. These flowers are so beautiful. Look. Oh, it's so cute. It has all these like compartments and stuff. Okay, let's start here. I'm getting ahead of myself. Washi card. Oh, some foil washi from Simply Gilded. Isn't that pretty? Oh, wow. Very nice. Put that to the side. Ooh, look at this. Be your own kind of beautiful. That's my toddler in the back. Okay, keep playing. Oh, wow. It's your car?
Yeah, it's so cool.
It's so cool. Okay, let mommy do this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I love you. Beauty has no race. Positive mind, vibes, life. In diversity, there is beauty and there is strength. Definitely. Because if everything was the same, it would be so boring. So diversity is definitely beauty. I love that. I'm gonna make a dashboard out of this. That I really, 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 really like this. I wonder where she got this one from. Ooh, I'm gonna have to ask her. This is so cute. I love it. Ooh, some cloth and paper. Rose squares. I really needed these. Oh, she read my mind. I've been doing little squares with, I draw them with a pen or something. This will make it seem so much better. She knew I needed these. Oh, wow, look at the mauve. Oh, these colors are so pretty. Okay, let's put that to the side. So that's like a little folder. And let's look at this compartment. Ooh, look, another washi card. Ooh, I love these colors. Some more Simply Gilded. I have an A6, so I bet I can make a dashboard. You know how these dashboard that people do and they're like at an angle? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm definitely gonna try to do that. Hopefully today, if you know the boss over here, my toddler, gives me some time. Look at that. I did mention to her that I like, you know, sweets like stickers, cupcakes and all that. And my name is Albina and I'm addicted to coffee. I love coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. Iced coffee in the summer, and you know when it's cold it's warm coffee. But oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Coffee is all I need. Oh, that's so cute. What am I gonna do with that? Oh, I'm gonna hoard it. This is so pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hoard it. It's too cute to use. Okay, and then, oh, this is another compartment. Cool. All we have is now. Definitely very suitable for me at the moment. Create with Mandy. All we have is now and the memories of the past. Gotta keep those. Hold on to those beautiful memories. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, does it go with the fox? Oh, that's the unicorn. Ooh, so pretty. I like this. Oh, it's like, does it match these? I think it does. Look, it matches. Oh, it definitely matches. I'm gonna have to do something with that. Okay. And a beautiful bow. Oh, she most definitely made this. You know how I know? Because of the ribbon. Isn't that pretty? This is so pretty. That's very nice. She took time out to make something, you know, cute and pretty and sent it to me. That's really nice of her. Thank you, Denise. I really appreciate it. Ooh. It matches. So cute. And then she sent me a card, which I'm not gonna open it on, you know, on video. But it's so pretty. Oh, okay. So that's not all. I'm gonna try to put this all back in here off camera. Flamingos. This is what else she got me. Let's see. Yes, queen. Oh, I love this tissue. Oh, this is beautiful tissue. Let's see. Ooh, planner companion. Wrong. Oh, look at this bracelet. I love this bracelet. I'm gonna put it on as quickly as I'm done with this video. Let's open this up. It says planner companion accessories, 103 pieces. Whoa. What all is in here? What is this? Oh, it comes with an erase board, a weight erase board, a vision board, sticky notepads, a folder. Oh, this has a lot of goodies. Half sheet paper, note sheets, a storage folder, 2 envelopes. If you guys hear that cracking, that's my desk. This wood, I have to fix it. And let's see, a bracelet included. Yeah, I love this bracelet. Let's open it up and just take a peek. Even though I just read everything out, let's take a peek anyway, right? It's not fun without taking a peek. Look at that, so pretty. Sorry about that light. Still haven't gotten my lighting in order. Oh, so pretty. I just put up a picture, the black and white picture with my scarf like that. So cute. Oh, so much prettier when you open it. Look at the notepads. Oh, that's so pretty. Look, oh my goodness, that's cute. Oh, and this is the envelopes. Look at that. Oh, gives me an idea on to create my own. And then you can put it, look at that. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Wow. I'm gonna put this one to use like a bunch because you could write it and erase it, write it and erase it. Why does she give me Aaliyah vibes? Doesn't she? Definitely does. And the note paper. Look at that. This one kind of looks like Aaliyah, but no, that's Aaliyah. This is Rihanna. Who can this be? A younger Mariah Carey? Slay today. Oh, so pretty. Babes support babes. That's so pretty. Sunshine on my mind. And this is the folder. Oh, and the bracelet. The folder, storage folder. It's cute. And here's the bracelet. Wear this bracelet as a reminder that every day is a great day. It definitely is, especially if you opened your eyes this morning. I'm gonna put this on. This is so pretty. So that's my happy mail for today. Thank you so much, Denise. I really appreciate it. I'm getting yours together. I haven't been out that much. How am I gonna do this? And but slowly but surely I'm getting yours together. I want it to be extra special. So okay, guys, watch me struggle try to put this on. Is that how it goes? Look how pretty. Oh wow, that's really cute. Look at that. Aw. All right, see you guys next time. Bye bye.